well, these people count. These people count, and even though they're not photographed by anybody else, they exist, and I want to show them as they are, as I've found them. The marginal people, okay, they're marginal, but they're marginal because we've made them marginal.
Cały projekt opiera się na przekraczaniu granic między prawdą a fikcją i myślę, że to bardzo odnosi się do tego, co teraz widzimy w naszej współczesnej rzeczywistości. Każdego dnia, na każdym kroku musimy weryfikować to, co widzimy, to, co słyszymy.
The dreams are a way of returning to the past, which is not available in the present time anymore. They become the moments of reunion and understanding. And the language of the dream is a universal language. And dreams can help in a way to have that community and connections with those people.
I am interested in the different modes of survival: love, care, protest, family, all of these different things that we do to stay alive in a world that's trying to suppress us.